So you just updated your HP printer's firmware and now it won't recognize your third-party ink cartridges anymore, right? HP's been known to push firmware updates that basically locks you out using affordable third-party ink, which is pretty annoying when you're trying to save money. But here's the good news. You can actually downgrade your printer's firmware back to earlier version that still works with third-party ink. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to downgrade your HP printer's firmware so you can get back to using your third-party ink cartridges again. And if you need extra help along the way, call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Open up Google and search for specific printer model numbers followed by words downgrade firmware. Look for the website hosted by compatible ink vendors. They usually have these firmware files available for download. Once you land on the website, scroll down a bit and look for the printer's model name. Make sure you select the right one that matches your operating system. Now, a Google Drive folder will open up with the files inside. Look for the zip file, that's compressed file you need. Just go ahead and download it. Once that download finishes, open the file by double-clicking on it. Now, find that zip folder you just downloaded and right-click on it. Look for an option that says Extract All at the top. Click on that and let it unzip the file. After it's done unzipping, double-click on the unzipped file to start the downgrade firmware installation. Your computer will walk you through the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once the downgrade firmware installation is complete, go back to your printer and make sure it's turned on. And that's it, you're done.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.